We did launch 2 new ETFs this quarter. We do not have any new product launches planned at any point in the near future. This is sort of our product suite. The idea was we had a product whose goal was to outperform the high yield benchmark, and we wanted something that could have a higher rate of return in a public fund structure. And so we wanted to outperform the market. And there's 2 ways you can do that. You can do that by managing systematic risk, right? Market-based risk and your exposure to it, or you can manage it by controlling what's in the portfolio and what the weightings are. So that's managing unsystematic risk. And each of these 2 portfolios does those 2 things. So MVPA, Miller Value Partners Appreciation, that's a ticker, MVPA. The goal there is to own undervalued names that can compound at a high rate of return for many, many years. So we want to enter at a good price. We want to enter when technicals make sense. We want to trade around those, not trade around those names, but adjust the weights over time relative to their valuation and other characteristics and risk-adjusted return profiles over the long term. Had a really good quarter that launched end of January. It's only been out for 2 months, but it's done really well. Again, MVPA is the ticker there. The one where the process is going to be less well known from our longtime followers is going to be MVPL. That's a systematic leverage approach to managing risk in the market. It varies between 2 states. One of our longtime followers and friends of the firm said that my dad's approach on the market, view on the market, varied between bullish and very bullish. That's what MVPL does. So we vary between just being an SPY to going in 2 times leverage SSL. And we're doing that using a systematic approach, data-driven approach. And the whole idea is effectively systematic risk with some systematic risk control over a long period of time, assuming you can tolerate a little volatility with this. We are using very strong first principles ideas here to manage leverage. And the math is really, really compelling, as are some SSRN notes that have come out on just general links to the IP we're thinking about in this portfolio over time. So we're really excited about that. It's done exactly what we thought it would since launch. And we're excited about that portfolio's prospects.